This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the JDfn Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap. It's Wednesday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. Bank CEOs agreed with demands for greater accountability in the first congressional testimony on how they're spending money from the taxpayer-funded $700 billion bailout. The 8 top bankers appearing before a congressional financial panel today conceded that they have work to do to win over bitter public and an exasperated Congress. House and Senate negotiators agreed to pare economic stimulus legislation below the $800 billion mark and reached for a final deal with White House on a bill designed to create millions of jobs in a nation reeling from recession. Meantime, Treasury Secretary Gaithner shrugged off strong negative reaction to his bank rescue plan, saying that if he gave Wall Street what it really wanted, then taxpayers would be left holding the bag. Analysts said that investors were looking for details of how the toxic assets on bank balance sheets would be sold. A federal regulator has urged more than 800 thrift institutions to suspend all foreclosures while the Obama administration develops plans to keep borrowers in their homes. In economic news today, the Commerce Department said that the U.S. trade deficit in December fell 4% to $39.9 billion. That from $41.6 billion in November. It was slightly higher than the $36 billion deficit that economists had expected. Also, the Treasury Department reported a trade deficit of $84 billion in January. This compares with a surplus of $17.84 billion in the same month a year ago. Caterpillar offering voluntary early retirement packages to about 2,000 production workers following a string of layoffs at the heavy equipment maker. And FedEx said that it's expanding its services in Mexico for both domestic and international business. Economic reports on Thursday. There's a few. Initial jobless claims, retail sales for January, and the December inventories report. Earnings today included Research in Motion expecting to report higher than forecast numbers of new subscribers for the fourth quarter, but it said earnings will come in at the low end of expectations for the period. Toll Brothers reporting its preliminary revenue fell 51% in the first quarter. Revenue was about $409.3 million. Analysts expected $442.6 million. Coca-Cola Enterprises reporting a loss of $1.45 billion. That's a loss of $2.99 a share. Analysts predicted earnings of 19 cents. And Dean Foods announced its fourth quarter profit more than doubled. Net income jumped to $66.4 million or 42 cents a share, while analysts were expecting 39 cents. Earnings on Thursday include Borg Warner, Coca-Cola Company, McAfee, Revlon, Total SA, California Pizza Kitchen, Waste Management, BJ Restaurants, Marriott International, and the Cheesecake Factory are among the marquee names. Stocks in the news today. Marsh McLellan reporting net income of $80 million or 15 cents a share. XL Capital Limited reporting a fourth quarter net loss of $1.43 billion or 436 a share. Nike said a global restructuring may result in the loss of 1,400 jobs. That's 4% of its global workforce. And I'd also like to let you know that education is the key to your financial success. And Premier Trade can help you create a solid foundation that can help you become a profitable trader. If you'd like to find out more, just call 1-800-474-8079. Take control of your financial freedom now. That is 1-800-474-8079. Call today.